today's video, Odoo Explained, a consultant's guides for business leaders. Enjoy! In a recent blog post, I explained how Odoo can be used for people whose company is basically still running on Excel and on email. So today I thought I'd make a short video about how Odoo can help you when your company is already using a bunch of different tools, Let's say it grew naturally, started simple, had a website, had a shop. You realize you need something for your storage solution, something for your CRM, something for your email marketing, and you just started to grow. So you ended up with something what we call data silos, which is basically just a bunch of software that doesn't talk to each other, like a silo, isolated from each other. Now the question is what to do when you want to update your client's email address, You have to do it once, twice, 3 times. The beauty of Odoo is that it offers you a single database, one source of truth for all your data. You change it once, it's everywhere available, always up to date. In a recent video I explained how Odoo can help you if your company is already using a bunch of different softwares and is fairly digitalized. But what if you are at the vanguard of digitalization? Can Odoo still help you? Yes, it can. So you don't need to be an accountant or ask your CFO or your controller. You will pretty much know yourself that all of those different software packages will cost you money, and that can add up quite quickly. Compared to Odoo, where a license per user per month will be between 20 and 30 euros, depending on your region. So, do the math. So, Odoo is one of the most powerful open source business systems available today. But how should you host it? Let's break that down. There are basically 3 options you have. Self-hosting, of course, gives you full control. You set it up, you maintain it, you can do whatever you want with it, customize to your heart's content. On the other hand, cloud hosting lets Odoo do most of the stuff. It takes care of the maintenance, take care of updates, but of course it gives you less control. But there's also a third option where you can have both of them, less the advantages of both, where you can have the cloud provided by Odoo, but you can still customize and take care of your own code. But of course, you still have to take care of yourself with the maintenance, so that's a downside. Which option is ultimately better? Depends on your requirements. So, if you want to know what is the best solution for you, get in contact with someone who knows the system, who knows Odoo, and can help you. So, get a partner.